What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create a Google Docs collaborative style into your WordPress posts or any WordPress page edited by Gutenberg or block editor. Okay, so this is gonna be for free and very effective if you have some team, some couple of persons publishing and doing the editorial process on your blog. Okay, so this collaboration can be very useful for your blog and your site at all. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So what we're gonna do? Go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins and click on Add New. Into the upper right corner, next to the keyword field, into the field called Search Plugins, we're gonna type Collab, okay? Just like this. Google Docs style collaboration in WordPress. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. This is gonna redirect you to the welcome page on the plugin. All you have to do is click on continue, then never miss an important update. You can count or not this, okay, it's up to you. Continue, there is a welcome video, okay, a quick tour. Continue, then you're all set. Get latest updates and tips. You can enter your email in the case you want to subscribe to their newsletter or not. Click on done. And you're gonna be into this dashboard. What is this dashboard? Okay, this is the place where you can see all of the activity on the posts. We have reports, we have integrations. In the case that you are a premium user, you can integrate with Slack. It's very useful in the case that you run a big blog. And we have some settings. Hide the Mode Collab comments column into the post lists. Notify super admin for all new comments, up to you, and some other premium only integrations. Then what else this plugin does? Okay, let's go to one of our previously published posts so we can review. Let's load up the post. And as you can see, into the upper right corner of my screen, there is a new tab. Can you see? We have the update button, this sidebar button, and this collab icon. We can first of all share this content with some person, okay? You can add people to invite in order to update this post and give editor or other user rules, just like Google Docs, okay? This is very useful in the case that you want to do a collaborative blog post. But what else can be done right here? We can, for example, imagine that you don't like this part of the post, okay, this part of the content. We're gonna click into this new button right here called comment, and we can write a comment about this part, okay? We can ask the editor or the person who gonna review the post to check it out. Let's apply a comment, then the editor gonna be able to see text like this, just like you do on Google Docs. And we can have some recommendations, we can do some edits in the post and to be approved by the post editor as a moderator, okay? And everything that you need, okay? Simple, easy and effective, and really nice for big things, working in some big posts together, okay? After this, we're gonna update. This comment right here gonna be visible for everyone that will give access to this doc, okay? So here is the activity, and you can see the activity into the dashboard on the plugin that we did saw previously. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzo free WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can use on your site, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for free in order to receive and publish a guest post on your site, And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site and count on our full templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium icons, options, assets, widgets, plugins, and our full support, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and go pro. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!